सो गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका यूनिक व्यू चैनल में। जैसे मैंने कहा था कि मैं इस चैनल के माध्यम से आई विल शेयर माय सिविल सर्विस नोट्स, प्रीलिम्स नोट्स। तो मेरे ये कुछ प्रीलिम्स के नोट्स हैं जो वन लाइनर मैंने बनाया है। ओके, सिंस प्रीलिम्स इज पोस्टपोन्ड till 10th October, so if you find it useful, well and good. So let's start. So प्रीलिम्स में क्वेश्चंस बेसिकली बहुत ही, ये मैंने इनसाइट ऑफ इंडिया एंड सिविल दिल्ली एंड आयस बाबा को रेफर करके, ये तीन साइट्स को मैंने रेफर करके ये नोट्स बनाया है। ठीक है, तो वन लाइनर नोट्स है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो स्टार्स प्रोजेक्ट वर्ल्ड बैंक द्वारा फंडेड है एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इसे फंड कर रही है मिलके। ये स्टार प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है और ये इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहा है 6 स्टेट्स में। ठीक है, आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है ऑल स्टेट्स, तो याद रखिएगा इट इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड 6 स्टेट्स एंड विच ऑल आर द स्टेट्स: हिमाचल प्रदेश, केरला, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, उड़ीसा एंड राजस्थान. So these are the 6 states in which STAR project is implemented. And why it is for what it is STAR project is for what? To improve quality of governance of school education in these states. Okay. And this STAR project has two components. One is called contingency emergency response component. Another has a parak. Okay. The third point, Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana. So this Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana has been launched by the in 2017 by Coal India Limited with help of its CSR funded Corporate Social Responsibility Fund. Basically, thalassemia is a genetic blood disorder that is caused because of due to deficiency hemoglobin. Okay. The uses of holographic imaging. So, question can be asked in multiple questions. The holographic images can be used in which of the following? So, it has a very wide application to detect the viruses and antibodies. It can be used for military map, information storage, art, fraud, and security. It is basically based on a laser technique. So these are the various fields in which it can be used. Now, biofortification. So, what is biofortification? To increase the nutritional value of food crops by plant breeding with help of biotechnology. So that is biofortification. And what is food fortification? So food fortification is basically to increase the nutritional value of food crops during processing. So there's a slight difference. Okay. So while processing the food after it has been grown, okay, that is called food fortification. But while it is growing, okay, the food is growing. We made a little bit changes in the, you can say, by genetically modifying it. So that is called basically biofortification. So you should have, so it should be clear what is biofortification and what is food fortification. So New Shepard is very news. Okay, so this is basically a rocket system to take tourists to space. Recently, I think $28 million was a bet. Means There's a bet for it was there. So New Shepard rocket system to take tourists to space, and this is by Jeff Bezos, who is the owner of this company, Blue Origin, Amazon CEO. Okay, so basically his company is Blue Origin. So that is launched the New Shepard to take tourists to the space. Okay. So what is Infuser? So Infuser, environmental information fusion surface, a very high resolution city scale model for Delhi. It is designed by the IMD and Finland Meteorological Department. So they have collaborated and designed Infuser. Next, aquaponics. So aquaponics and hydroponics are very much in news. So there's a chance that they will ask some. They may ask question on aquaponics and hydroponics. So aquaponics is what? A technique in which both fishes as well as the plant are grown in a integrated manner. So basically, the fish. So what do we use for the fish? It's excreta. So excreta is rich in nitrogen. So that's why this excreta is used as a fertilizer for the plants. Okay, plants basically vegetables to grow. Okay, so that is called aquaponics. And hydroponics is what? Hydroponics is growing plants without soil. So in what happens, there is a water. In water, we add mineral nutrients. which are essential for growth of the plants, and that basically is the hydroponics. Uh, Next, we can see 8-year bonds. So 8-year bond is issued by the banks, okay, electronically. So you have to remember how it is issued electronically and why it is issued, because to fulfill Basel III norms. So some of the banks which fall short of the criteria of the Basel III bond, which is 9.1 CRAR, I think so. So Basel III norms, to fulfill that, they issue a 8-year one bond, and to whom? To institutional investors only. Okay, and the minimum 8-year bond amount is minimum rupees 1 crore. Okay, next we see Antarctica Treaty. What is Antarctic Treaty? So it is 1961 signed. So there's 54 parties. Basically, what is that? No country will use the Antarctica for military use except for science. So for research, it has to be used and not for any military purposes. No, no nuclear explosion or disposal on Antarctic continent. Next, we have a Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. So APEC, and it has 21 parties. India in this is not a member. Okay, this is a main important point, that which is APEC. India is not a member to it. What is Brihat Samhita? Samhita document of astrology. Jamini Brahmana speaks. What does it is about? It speaks collective about dance and music. Okay. So protection. You know that for preventing domestic violence, we have a protection of women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Okay, the year is important. You can quote this act during writing your answer writing. Okay, it means Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. So Saral Jeevan Bima is launched by IRDAI. Okay, it is a regulatory authority which looks after insurance sector. Saral Jeevan Bima. Age, what is the criteria? Age 80 to 65 years, and policy term is for 5 to 40 years, minimum of rupees 5 lakhs and maximum 25 lakhs. Okay, exclusion is there. Suicides, if someone commits suicide, so that is excluded. So World Economic Outlook is launched by IMF. Chapter proceedings. What is chapter proceedings? Chapter proceedings are basically the preventive actions taken by the police by, if a person likely to disturb the peace in a society. So people can even arrest them or house arrest. Police can even house arrest them. That is basically chapter proceedings. So where is the Nandakaran Zoological Park? So Nandakaran Zoological Park is in Odisha. If you look at the name, it will sound like that is a from a South India, but it's not from the South India. It is from the East India, that is Odisha. Okay. So why it was in news? Because an institutional member of the world, it became an institutional member of the World Zoo of Zoos, Association of Zoos and Aquarium. Okay, WAZA, we call it. Gupta Declaration. So Gupta Declaration is basically the grouping of the political parties of the Kashmir to for special status of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Vishweshwari Award, Kalpana Chawla Award, and Diwakar Award are associated with what? So they are associated with solar energy, given by the International Solar Alliance. Okay, these three awards: Vishweshwari Award, Kalpana Chawla Award, Diwakar Award. So START treaty. So this is a treaty signed between the USA and Russia. So to reduce all the nuclear weapons in 2010, and it was again ratified in 2011. So it was expired. So it has been renewed. So that's why it was in news. Partial and Spratly Island. So China, Vietnam. Okay. So this partial and Spratly Island means there's a dispute between China and Vietnam. Scarborough Shoal Island is in dispute with China and Philippines. So China is basically a disturbing country. So it disturbs everyone. China and Philippines. So these are islands important. So Zozila Tunnel. So Zozila Tunnel, what it connects to Srinagar to Leh, important, and this is Asia's longest bi-directional tunnel. Okay, so Parak, we have seen a component of STARS project, National Assessment Center under the Union Education Ministry. So it is a component of you can say STARS project. And what does the Parak does? So Parak is a assessment center under the Union Education Ministry. So Chandra X-ray Observatory. Okay, so this observatory belongs to NASA, and what is basically it is about a telescope to detect galaxies, black holes, and exploratory star. So next, Sagittarius A star. So it is a supermassive black hole. Okay, they may ask you it is a observatory, black hole, satellite, whatever. So accordingly, but it is a supermassive black hole. Superconductivity. So superconductivity is that property which can conduct electricity at a room. Basically, once electricity is applied, so it will conduct electricity. So it has achieved at a room temperature up to 15 degrees centigrade, but at a high pressure. So still scientists are trying to um, achieve superconductivity at a room temperature. Scale India. What is Scale India Act? So it is by the Leather Sector Skill Council, launched by the Leather Sector Skill Council for leather employees for their skill assessment. So that is basically Scale India app. So this is UNHSRC, United Nations Human Rights Commission, 47 members. Okay, there are 47 members in it. In this commission, 3 years term and non-binding resolution on human rights. So that is basically when it is not. So remember, it is not binding. It is non-binding on human rights and issues. Its headquarters is in Geneva. Okay. So Article 122 to 120, 122 and 211. What does it is about? It bars Parliament and state legislature to discuss about the conduct of the judges. Okay, of any judge. So this is basically gives immunity to the judges. Okay. Article 131, 211. What is regulatory sandbox? A safe harbor where businesses can test innovative products under the relaxed norms. So they have very a little bit, you can say, relaxed norms by the government where they can do businesses to for innovative products. Ghartak fiber. So what is Ghartak fiber? So Ghartak fiber is basically launched by the Department of Telecommunication and METI. The ministry is METI and with help of Common Service Center. So it was launched in Bihar by the central government. Okay, Ghartak fiber, which state? So it is Bihar. So Jagi Poha, Assam. So it is placed in Jagi Poha, Assam. So country first multimodal logistic park, direct connectivity by air, road and rail and waterways. So you should remember, country's first multimodal logistic park has been established at Jagi Poha in Assam. Now, so as of for cheetah, so basically it is a hing. So earlier we used to import from Iran and Afghanistan. Now CSR has planted first sapling in Lahore Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Now it has been also harvested. Okay, hing as of for cheetah. So pink dolphin. So pink dolphin is Pearl River. Okay, uh, Pearl River, China. We find pink dolphin in Pearl River, China, and it is vulnerable. So now, so you can see law ministry has increased poll expenditure in assembly and Lok Sabha election by advice of Election Commission of India. Okay, who does it? Law ministry does it. If you have to increase the poll expenditure, this was done because there was a COVID. Uh, that's why it was done. So next we have autonomous bodies are funded through grant in aid. Okay, autonomous bodies. So what are the autonomous bodies? You can say. So there's a national crime. NCR, okay, so autonomous bodies. Those bodies are autonomous bodies. They are funded by through grants in aids. Okay, so if you look at the fiscal the budget that FRMBM report, Finance Commission report, so there are various funds given. Okay, so grant in aid is one of the component of that recommendation. So that is used for funding autonomous bodies. Ayushman Shahakar. So this scheme is from where? This scheme, Ayushman Shahakar, is scheme to assist cooperative uh, play an important role in creation of healthcare infrastructure. So this is basically launched for corporates, so they can help in building the healthcare infrastructure. For that, we have a scheme, Ayushman Shahakar scheme. Okay. The next we will see. So India Springboard. So this is an initiative of the Indian Bank and IIT Madras Incubation Cell to fund startup. Okay, India Springboard is launched by two Indian Bank and IIT Madras. So facial tracking monitoring system. So it is a system indigenous software solution launched by Ministry of Shipping for to to look after the traffic of vessels. Lushai Mountain. So Lushai Mountain is where in Pangoi Peak. It is also known as Pangoi Peak, also known as Blue Mountain. It is in Mizoram. So remember that where is Blue Mountain? It is in Mizoram. So Grand ICT Challenge. So launched by the National Jal Jeevan Mission. So if you look Grand ICT, it will look like it is launched by the other ministry, but it is launched by the National Jal Jeevan Mission, and METI focuses on service delivery. So another, so International Financial Services Center Authority. So what is this? Basically, it was established in 2020. It is a statutory body under DEA, Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs, and Ministry of Finance. So this was all 50 one-liners. The next 45 I will discuss in the next class, in the next video. Okay, this was all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.